People who have only one balcony and which is not that much sunny area, they can arrange and planted this kind of plants in their balcony. Here is pothos or money plant. See how I planted them in a mug, plastic mug it is. Then it is lucky bamboo. Beside that another money plant and lucky bamboo. This one ages 1.5 year. Then my spider plant. Then there is little coriander. Then portulaca or parsley. This is very beautiful pink and yellow shaded portulaca. Beside that syngonium. See how nicely grown this syngonium. And of course aloe vera. Aloe vera also loves sun very much. That's why I keep it outside of that balcony. That means just near to the railing. And this one is 4 o'clock or Shandha Malati. Then crown of throne. Crown of throne also demand lots of sun, but this balcony is not that much sunny at all. Then my vinca, already vinca is blooming, and vinca plant is very big now. Then Christmas tree. I actually don't know the actual name of these plants. Beside that my snake plant, and this one is fern. Fern plant. Fern is very beautiful and bushy. As you can see, it looks so good, but some plants are died already. That's why it looks a little dull, but its leaves are very beautiful. So beautiful. Yes, let me show you from closer. Yes, it is. Then lots of money plants I grow here and there. That's why they have been just creeping all over the grill of my balcony. And this one actually I planted in a very small pot, and it's just down to the lake, down from the grill. Then my cactus, one of the cactus, little cactus. There's another kind of cactus. Beside that there is purple heart. Purple heart also creeping very well. They are also crawling. And wandering Jew or zebrina or spider, pennywood, spennywood, basically we known as zebrina. And balsamine also. From down I keep some plant, and let me show you from the other side of the grill. Yes, so you can keep this kind of plants in your garden if you don't have enough place in your balcony. So let's try it and let me know in the comment, do you like my balcony?